Good morning. I am Anil Agarwal, former Chief Manager, Punjab National Bank. So yesterday, SBI took a decision, and this decision is on placement of probationary officer, trainee officers in Scale 2. Earlier, they were used to be placed on confirmation in Scale 2. That means after completion of 2 years, the POs and TOs were used to become Scale 2 officers of State Bank of India. But now they have withdrawn that facility. That means now POs and TOs has to appear in selection process for movement to MMG2. And the minimum length of service at present is 3 years and it is subject to change. What is the meaning of this? That means from a certain promotion, now these officers have moved to uncertain promotion. This is the implication. Does not mean they will not get promotion. Earlier they were assured of this promotion, now they have to fight for it. They may get it or they may not get it. So what is the lesson? Lesson is for those candidates, those are having option. Say they are selected a clerk in one bank and selected as PO in another bank and they are in stage of confusion what to do. Now with such type of guidelines and the future in store, it is not certain that a clerk will become officer after certain years. But if you are already selected as officer, you are already officer. So the choice between clerk and officer, one should pick the officer position and should not go for the name of organization. Whether it is State Bank or whether any other public sector bank, promotion may not be fast in coming years. So if you are getting superior position today, one should opt for it. That is the clear, sound and loud message from these guidelines. The people, those are calculating based on their past experience or looking into the example of people, those joined in past, most preferably after 2002. Those examples may not be valid in coming 7 years post 2023. So if you are joining as clerk today and becoming eligible for officer after 4 years, you may not become officer, or your chances of becoming officer may be delayed further if you look at the present trend. But if you are already becoming officer this year, it is a better option than going for an organization, wait for 4 or 5 years and then not becoming the officer. Because as opportunities will shrink, competition will rise. And the competition rise means the things that is so obvious today may not be so obvious tomorrow. So this is the lesson, hard lesson for the people. Those are selected for two positions, one in officer in one organization and clerk in another organization. On this channel, I am always used to tell you, select the rank, not the bank. Go for the higher rank, not for a brand. Because the higher rank will ensure higher positions for you in future. And there is a lot of difference between salary of clerk and officer. If a person joins as clerk, he gets around 31,000 rupees. If he joins as officer, cost to company is around 70,000 rupees. So foregoing 40,000 rupees a month only for a particular brand does not make any sense in long term. Rest is your choice. Because if you are thinking that after 4 years, 5 years, I will become officer in that organization, it may not happen if we look at the future unfolding. अब यही बातें हम हिंदी में करेंगे. स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने कल एक डिसीजन लिया उस डिसीजन का क्या इम्प्लीकेशन है और उससे क्या लेसन्स हमें मिल रहे हैं। पीओ और टीओ के लिए स्टेट बैंक में एक प्रोविजन था कि ऑन कंप्लीशन ऑफ प्रोबेशन एंड कंफर्मेशन दे वर प्लेस्ड इन स्केल 2 MMG 2, so they were getting a promotion for sure. Now they have withdrawn this condition, meaning whereby they will not be getting that promotion on completion of confirmation as well as probation. Rather, they will be placed in scale 1. Thereafter, they have to compete and become eligible for scale 2. And at present, guidelines is minimum length of 3 years. But after 3 years, they will only become eligible. They will not necessarily get scale 2. Or in other terms, now it will take longer time for promotion. So this news item has given lesson to the people. Those are having 2 offers. One, officer in A bank, clerk in B bank. And sometime they are in dilemma whether to go in A bank or to remain in B bank due to brand name. Now this instance has clearly tells you, if you stick to the lower rank, you are not assured of promotion in future. But if you are getting higher rank today, you must opt for it, because future is uncertain and this rank is certain. So if a person is selected as officer in A bank and he is also selected clerk in B bank, he should not leave probationary officer rank only for sake of a particular brand. Because some people may guide, this is a brand, after 4 years you will become officer. Now you are not assured. Because with the type of things going to emerge post 2023, the promotions will be very, very slow and they may not be as fast as happened in post 2001 till today. So if you are getting something today and there is a probability of getting the similar post after 4 years, 5 years, better choice is take it today. Because there is a huge difference between the salary of a clerk and probation officer. Clerk gets around 31,000 rupees and probation officer cost to company is around 70,000 rupees. So there is a gap of 40,000 rupees a month. And there is no logic foregoing this 40,000 rupees only for sake of a brand. Brand does not ensure you fast promotion. Higher rank means higher is the probability of going to the highest post. Lower rank means lower is the possibility of going to the higher post. So this thing you must keep in mind and decide wisely. In all my earlier videos, I always advise you go for the rank, not for the name of organization. If you are having a chance of becoming officer today, not in so famous bank, you still go to probation officer as compared to clerical. God bless you all.